So it's one of those mornings. We had a couple fires to be putting out this morning, and a very inconvenient morning with one of our new people we were training. She left a letter saying that she quit. So we have her uniform. She left her stuff. It's one of those things we just have to take it for what it is. It's unfortunate when they leave. I mean, I appreciate the note, but this person was scheduled to do a handful of cleanings today, and now we have to move things around. So that was this morning, just trying to put out that fire of what we're gonna do for our schedule. We still have laundry to get done and things to do. So as you know, like, those things just happen, and we need to be able to be the rock for our people and find the solutions and encourage them that we're gonna find ways to make things better. So one of the fires today that we were going through was, not only did we have someone just leave a note and say that they couldn't clean today, so we had to move the schedule around, canceling clients for the next day or for until next week. That's not what we want for our business. But when those things happened, because they will happen, as business owners, we have to stay solid in our position. We have to know that we are the rock for our people, and we need to find solutions and let them know that there's going to be a better system to fix these types of things. I mean, someone quitting, right? We can learn from the note of what she was saying of she felt like she wasn't fast enough for us, and she felt like she was holding us back, so she didn't want to do that. And I just read a little bit of the note, but like, we have to find a solution to that so that people don't feel that way when they're in training. So we have to learn from that feedback and just be able to implement better systems and better processes so that we don't continually making those things. So if you're finding that you are getting a trend of behaviors or actions from your trainees or your employees, the best thing to do is take it for what it is and find a solution so it doesn't happen again. So it's unfortunate that happens, but we fixed it. We jumped on the schedule. We called our clients. We let them know, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to service them today. We had some inconveniences with our team, with our schedule, and I would suggest to not say that someone quit on you today. You want to make sure that your clients feel secure for choosing you. And so we just let our clients know, hey, we had an inconvenience in the schedule this morning, and we will have to reschedule you for the next day or the following week. We apologize for the inconvenience, and we will be better. So that's fixed. But then, like, this morning too, I had a call from I had a call from one of my team members, which they know to always go to the office and communicate with the office. I let my office team take care of the fires, but this morning they wanted to know how they can be heard more with our office team. And so I had a coaching session this morning as well with my office team about us being able to focus on our teams. Our teams are our biggest asset. So when we focus on our teams, they're gonna feel valued and heard. So if there's any problems, or they're sharing their concerns, and they just don't feel like they're either comfortable at a cleaning, or they're just not being understood. When you get that, you have to do your part to know that, like, they are your biggest asset. So knowing that you understand and knowing that you're hearing them and finding a solution to that specific thing, like you're gonna get the best out of your people. So, you know, these couple employees are Spanish speaking team. So our office team is not Spanish speaking, which now that I see what we need, I need to get someone in the office that can speak Spanish and really communicate with them effectively, because that's very, very important for us. So there's just a little misunderstanding, but that lets me know what I need to do. That tells me that I need to hire someone in the office. So, and another fire today. Today was a very unique morning. We had a customer text me about us not cleaning their patio for their Airbnb. So I talked to my quality control guy. He had an inconvenient day yesterday. We had a full team that was sick. So it is the season for that, and they were sick, so we needed to move some cleanings around, but he had to jump in too. So my quality control guy jumps in when we need him. His most important position is quality control and making sure, you know, our laundry is done and things like that, which our laundry is piled up because he just had a long day yesterday. So, you know, as business owners, we have to know that these things will happen. And I'm sure I'm sure you know that these inconveniences are what puts us in a tough position. And I've been in these positions plenty of times now, being in business for 7 years. Like, it does make you think, like, should I continue being a business owner? Like, you kind of want to quit and you kind of want to just throw in the towel because, you know, all of these things happen, and it does feel overwhelming, and it does feel like, is this ever going to end? And you know, it does. We haven't had an inconvenience like this for a very long time. I would say months and months we haven't had someone quit just because of that, like just through a letter and just not wanting to slow us down, and she just felt like she wasn't a good match to our speed and our attention to detail. But you know, you don't have these types of days all the time, so things do get better. Just the biggest thing that I've learned that I want to share is that when they do happen, don't get overwhelmed. If you do need a second to take a deep breather and kind of just get all of your thoughts together so you know what decision you need to make, that's okay, and you should do that. And I do that all the time. I recollect my thoughts, know what is happening, and then know that maybe this is not happening to me, it's happening for me because I have a system or a process that is not working effectively. So as business owners, we need to find solutions to those problems and not react. Because once we start reacting and our team sees us react, then they're not gonna feel comfortable sharing that feedback or that problem with us anymore. Or maybe that's an environment that they don't want. So as business owners, we are responsible to give them an environment where they feel heard, they feel encouraged, and that whatever feedback they give us, it's valuable feedback that we will take and make decisions off of them if we need to, right? So I definitely, on my way over here in the car, I had to recollect my thoughts and see what I needed to do today. I did have an appointment this morning, and I just had to move it. You know, I had to move my schedule to make sure that my business is running smoothly. And I'm gonna take care of some laundry. I'm gonna take care of organizing some of the materials and calling some clients, just focusing on my business, on those little things. And I don't do that all the time, but when they do pop up, you know, you have to know that it's your responsibility and you have to jump in. So if you're constantly putting fires out in your business and you feel like it's a never-ending thing and you feel like quitting, I would suggest do not quit. Just continue waking up every day and just doing your best. But if you want to learn more about maybe a system or a process that you can implement in your business so you can have less of those issues, you can schedule a call on my link in my bio. But other than that, I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I really wanted to share kind of like a heart-to-heart of what I am going through currently in my business. And yeah, so subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one because I have to get to this laundry. So thanks for watching.